Hello everyone, myself Ashwini Varekar Khare. Today we are going to start our online lecture of a subject ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. Before we actually start the content of a topic, we just discuss the syllabus. So the ERP syllabus containing 4 units. Unit number 1 is a ERP and Overview. This unit containing the basic of an ERP. So the introduction of an ERP, evolution of an ERP, it is also known as history of an ERP. Next is the enterprise. Next is the role of an role of an enterprise. What is ERP? Then reasons for growth of an ERP, means why we are using ERP in today's business, as well as advantages of an ERP. Problem areas means risk in ERP implementation, and as well as benefits of an ERP. So all these points, basic points, are covered in a unit number 1, that is the ERP and Overview. So second unit containing the ERP and related technologies. So with ERP we can use many technologies, and these technologies are covered or learned in unit number 2. So the main point is a BPR. Okay, that is a business process re-engineering. So when we are using ERP, suppose in our business some processes are new, or new processes are we want to add in our business, or some processes we want to delete from our business. At that time we cannot change the whole ERP software. So it is not affordable. At that time we use BPR process, and BPR process can only change that process or only change that transactions. So we cannot want to replace whole ERP system, and it is beneficial for our business. So the BPR. Next concept is a data warehousing. We uses ERP. So ERP's data are large amount or huge amount. So these huge amount of data are stored centrally in data warehousing. So data warehousing is nothing but the it is a place, it is a large place where we can store a huge amount of data centrally. So next one is a 3 systems, that is the MIS, DSS and EIS. These 3 systems we have to learn, as well as data mining. In data warehousing we can store data, and data mining is a technique which extract data from data warehouse. So the data mining is nothing but extracting data from data warehouse. So the data mining, this point also we have to cover. And last point is a supply chain management. So all these points are covered in a unit number 2. Next is a unit number 3, that is the online analytical processing. It is also known as OLAP. So the OLAP means we can store data in data warehouse. We uses data mining techniques to extract data from data warehouse, and we use online, that is the OLAP technique, to analysis of the data, to doing analysis. So if industry or business want to take some decisions, at that time they use that data, and they doing an analysis on that data, and after analysis on that data they take a future decision. So that to take a decision or to make a decision, at that time the business or industry uses OLAP technique. So in this unit we covered rules of an OLAP, types of an OLAP, as well as benefits of an OLAP. All these points are covered in a unit number 3. Next is a unit number 4, that is the ERP implementation. It is also known as a life cycle of an ERP or phases of an ERP implementation. So in this life cycle of an ERP there are total 11 steps, from pre-evaluation screening up to the post implementation. So these 11 stages are important, and all these 11 stages is also known as life cycle of an ERP. Means how we can implement this ERP software in our system, and we have to follow all these 11 steps. So these 4 points, and as well as last one is a reference books. There are 3 reference books. So from next lecture we actually start the topics. Thank you.